Lock slug closing out. Igniter purges on stage 2.
GNC countdown net. Announce S2 TVC motion started.
Motion has started.
Stage 1 throttle valve, final set points. Stage 2 helium fill closing out.
LD verify go for launch. LD verify go for launch.
Go for launch.
Stage 1 tanks pressing for flight. TVC final setup started. Stage 2 BTV check complete.
Rock, verify range go.
Range green.
Stage 1 helium fill closing out. Fin and stage step ISO valves closed. Vehicles not idle.
T-minus 1 minute. BC, verify F9 is in startup.
Vehicle is in startup. The flight computer has control of the vehicle. Stage 2 tanks pressing for flight.
T-minus 30 seconds. T-minus 20. T-minus 15. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. We have liftoff from Falcon 9. Falcon 9 is cleared to tower.
Alright, monitoring power, looking nominal on both stages.
T plus 60 seconds. Altitude 6 kilometers. Speed 280 meters per second. Downrange distance 2 kilometers. Vehicle supersonic. Vehicles pass through max aerodynamic pressure.
Stage 1 propulsion is still nominal.
Arc monitoring power still looks nominal.
Medevac chill has begun.
T plus 2 minutes, 20 seconds. Altitude 40 kilometers. Speed 1.5 kilometers per second. Downrange distance 50 kilometers.